This video is over volumes of cylinders, cones, and spheres. In a volume formula, there are several different pieces that you need to be aware of. The first one are the different symbols. So in the formulas, the letter V stands for volume. The letter H stands for height. The letter R stands for the radius. And if you forgot what a radius is, it's half of the circle. The letter D stands for diameter. And remember, diameter is the entire circle. Remember, radius is half, diameter is all the way across. Just remember that. Radius is half of the diameter. And then the last symbol that you need to be aware of is pi. Now, pi has several different variations. We know pi to be 3.14. However, we can also think of pi as a fraction, which is 22/7. Or our scientific calculators even have a pi button. The last note is one answer type. Sometimes you'll see the descriptor, leave your answer in terms of pi. This means that you leave pi in the answer. And we'll discuss what this means when we come to our actual examples later. For right now, just make sure you have all the notes copied down.